Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can claim your Google AI Pro and Ultra credits. So let's get started. To begin, you need to set up a Google billing account. Open your preferred web browser and search for the Google Cloud Billing Console. Once you're on the Google Cloud Billing Management page, go to Billing and select Create Account. You'll be asked to enter basic details such as your billing account name and country. The currency will usually default based on your selected country. After that, click Continue and move to the next step. Next, provide your contact information and choose a payment method. This payment method is typically required for verification purposes. In most cases, it won't charge you unless you actively use paid services beyond any free credits. After entering your details, submit the form and enable billing to finish setting up the account. Once your billing account is ready, go back to your browser and search for Google Developer Benefits. Open the benefits page and look for the offer that includes monthly Gen AI and cloud credits. You should see an option that mentions free monthly credits. Click on that offer to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to select the billing account you just created. Choose the correct billing account from the list. There may be a toggle or confirmation step asking you to apply the credits to that specific billing account. Confirm your selection and continue through the remaining prompts. After completing the process, the credits should be applied to the billing account you selected. You can verify this inside your Google Cloud Billing dashboard by checking your credits or transactions section. That's the complete process to claim your Google AI Pro and Ultra credits. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.